My name is Keith Duhaney, and I'm the general manager and a business partner. The owner of the place is Dan Brewer. He's on property today, so hopefully we'll get an opportunity to have a small chat with him. I partnered with Dan some 4 years ago now, and when I first stopped by and I saw the property, the first thought that came to mind was, my God, this place is beautiful. It's peaceful, quiet, floral, lots of floral arrangement, birds, the waves in the background, all those kind of things kind of have helped to shape my decision to take on this challenge. Now, over the years, we have developed a high quality product in a clean, safe, and friendly environment, and that premise has taken us to #1 on TripAdvisor in 2010, and we've been in the top 10 since I guess 2009. Now, just as a backdrop, WESTENDER Inn has also collaborated with the Negril business cluster, One Love Drive, and we have been working together to basically harness the quality product of all of the West End community to build a model that we all kind of share in the experience that we've been having here on the West End. One of the interesting things about Negril is that you can have two different distinct experiences when you come to Negril, Jamaica. In that you have, most people know about the 7 Mile Beach, which is great, it's famous, sun, sand, sea. But what a lot of people don't realize is that there's a whole other side to Negril, in that there's the cliffs starting at from Burger King, the center of town, coming all the way, through Rick's Cafe, and all the way to the lighthouse, all the way back to the West End. So if you're coming from Montego Bay End, we would be the last property in Negril. Some would say the best end of Negril. I just say that we're holding our own. If you're coming from Montego Bay, we would be the first property in Negril. We also have some separation down here, in that you can walk 2 miles in either direction from the WESTENDER Inn, and you will not run into anyone else. So it's great for walking, jogging, just really get in touch with nature. If you are early riser, in the mornings, butterflies, birds, the waves in the background, fantastic snorkeling. Just all around, lots of bougainvilleas of all different shapes, colors, just colorful, floral, and and a fantastic staff. I can't say enough about the staff of the WESTENDER Inn. Everyone here just pitch in as a team, as a family, and make the guest experience something magical. And I think that if anyone has a chance, if you have a chance, take a look at some of the reviews that we get on TripAdvisor. It's constantly mentioning the staff, and the food. Oh my God, we have some fantastic food here. And every Sunday night, we have a big bonfire and live entertainment, and we invite all of our guests and friends from the outside to come out and enjoy the evening with us. So just as a closing, again, the name is Keith Duhaney, General Manager and Business Partner at the WESTENDER Inn. One of the best places in Negril to stay. Please, if you get a chance, come see us again.